Maruti Suzuki just dropped its new midsize SUV, the Victoris, set to shake up the segment between the Brezza and Grand Vitara. Priced from 10.49 Indian rupees lakh ex-showroom, bookings begin at just 11,000 Indian rupees. You get 6 variants and safety. It's the first Maruti SUV to bag a 5-star Bharat NCAP rating. A big deal for buyers who want peace of mind. Under the hood, there are multiple powertrain options. A mild hybrid petrol, a strong hybrid setup, and a CNG version, giving buyers choices for performance, mileage, or savings. Features are premium. Large touchscreen displays, ambient lighting, ventilated front seats, panoramic sunroof, and modern ADAS, Level 2, tech. All the comfort and safety stuff, yes, plus that strong value proposition. Sales kick off from September 22nd, 2025. If you've been waiting for an SUV with safety, tech, and style, the Victoris might be the tipping point in the market. That's all for now. Like, share, and subscribe to Replay NW for your daily auto updates. See you in the next one.